Lots of room behind me, buddy. Just had to get in front. What a card, man.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Oh,
man. You just got so far ahead. Sorry, I'm talking to this other car. This guy got so far ahead by cutting in front of me, buddy. Good job. Way to run the red, buddy. Where are you going? What the Yeah. Yo, pedestrian, dude. They both went through the... Are you kidding me?
What?
They even have lights blinking, and... Wow. Dude, you have a lane, buddy. You have a lane.
Do it again.
Sheesh.
Do it again.
I know, I thought it would be like, isn't there a school like right here?
Yeah. Come on, buddy. I gave him a shot.
Oh no, for sure. For sure. Looking at the phone. Looking at the phone, for sure.
Yo, you took a lean, brother? Sheesh. Holy shit. Yo, what is going on with these guys? Both these guys are raging over here. There's this big road rage accident. Whoa! That dude, what the f is he doing, bro? He almost hit the barrier. This guy's crazy.
Oh, right.
Whoa.
Japanese beetle.
Jesus.
What the?
Jesus, lady. Don't smile at me like that. You almost took us out.
Yeah, wait.
Holy crap. Oh, yeah? Yeah, you first. Okay. Sorry, my bad. Whoa. Jesus Christ.
Where am I going with this? Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Jesus. You just gonna roll in with no signal, brother? Sheesh. These North Vancouver people are a different breed. At least the new driver knows how to use this flipping signal.
Side Starbucks and see if there's a cute cup.
So are you gonna go or what, brother? What are you doing here? Jeez.
Yeah,
Like, go. Don't go.
And you turned on your turn signal, so they knew you were turning, and then they went right into where we were turning.
It's like, bro, if you ain't got the balls, let your woman drive.
Yeah.
I'm glad they put the buttons here. That's good.
Yeah, this is exactly where they need the buttons.
Hey! Dumbass. How many hits are there? Have a good day, guys. Don't get hit, eh?
Good luck!
Dude.
Oh my god, nobody's two people in a row. Did you get that on the dash cam, I guess?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
I was surprised the first one. The second one?
Risks of suffering a heart attack or stroke compared to people who don't drink at all or who drink way more.
And the citizen's water report is coming up next. It's 8:39.
Alright, those are all the clips I have for you today. What did you think of some of the drivers out there? Timestamp it in the comments section below. I'd love to see what you think. And if you want to know whenever we're on the road again with a new video here on the channel, go ahead and beep the subscribe button. Now drive safe out there, and I'll see you down the road.